Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Elementor AI site planner, and also I will show you how you can make this type of document. Like here, you can see that I have made this by using that only. Here you can see that I have this document where I have make a website for this football academy, and you can see that it has have all this information here, like what is the brief summary of this. Also, if I go below, you can see that here we have all of this information, like how many pages are there, what are the sitemap and structure. Also, if we go below, you can see that I have this type of colors here also. So here it will also give you the style guide. Also, it will give you the fonts and all, and also it will give you all these headings and all. Okay, and also we can make this wireframe live. So I will show you how you can make the wireframe live in this type of website for free. Okay, so here you can see that I have this all here. We have the home page, sponsor and partner page. Here we have this page. Here we have the CSR page, about us page. Okay, so I will show you how you can make this type of things live also. And here you can see that we have the sitemap, which is made using the site planner of this Elementor, and right now it is in the beta version, but here you can see that we have made this, and here you can see that we have the sitemap. If I zoom it, so you can see we have this home page here. If I zoom it little bit more, let's zoom. Okay, so here you can see that we have the home page, and here you can see that we have all of this information like the header, hero section, latest update. Then after that we have these pages here. Okay, academy, club page, all of this. Also, if I go to the wireframe, you can see that in the wireframe I have this full website. So let's wait for it to load. And after loading, I will show you that we have this full website. Okay, so let's go to the feed, and you can see that all of these pages are loaded. And this page is I have make this live on this. Okay, so you can see that here we have this live website, which is made using the Elementor AI site planner in very less time. So in this video, I will walk you through all the steps which you can take to make these type of things using the Elementor site planner, and also we're gonna make the website live. Okay, so for that, let's start. How you can do that? So first, we have to make a prompt. So for making the prompt, first we have to. So let's see what prompt we can use. So first we have to go to the chat GPT. So let's go to the chat GPT. Okay, so first we have to go to the chat GPT. I think I already have the planned prompt here. Okay, so let's say him, uh, give me a real estate website with all mandatory pages in it, and give me proper prompt for Elementor AI site planner. Okay, so if you give this prompt, so it will make a prompt for using the Elementor AI site planner. So here you can see that it is making some prompt here. Okay, so here you can see that it is saying Elementor AI site planner prompt support, copy and paste. So here you can see that. Okay, so here you can see that it has given us some prompt with all the pages. So let's say let's remove FAQ, legal. Okay, so let's say him, let's keep only 5 pages like home, about, listing, contact, and single listing detail page, and give me prompt according to that. Okay, so let's say this, and it will give us some prompt. Okay, so here you can see that this is giving us prompt. Okay, so now what we can do, we can just copy this prompt, and now we have to log into the Elementor. Okay, so let's log into the Elementor, and here you can see that we have the new project option. So let's go to the new project, and here I will show you how we can make this live, also how we can have this doc. Okay, so let me close all of these stuffs, and we're gonna build this whole start. Okay, so here you can see that we are on this brief. So let me paste all the information, means the prompt which we get from the chat GPT. Okay, so here you can see that it is reading our prompt. So now it is saying thanks for sharing the detailed page requirements and design style for your real estate website. Continue planning effectively. I need a bit more. What is the name of your business or agency? So let's name him some Urban Live. Okay, so I like this name. So let's use this name. Great. The business name is Urban Living Reality. Could you please elaborate on what Urban Living Reality does or showcase on this website? For example, does it provide services, sell properties, share information, or something else? Provide property buying and selling services, list rental and commercial properties. Okay, so let's choose this list rental and commercial properties. Okay, so here you can see that based on this, it is making this brief summary. Okay, so you can see, and we have enough detail to start creating a wireframe your site. Would you like to generate a sitemap and wireframe? Okay, so yes, I am ready. So after that, it will say use this brief. Okay, so let's see what is it. So it is generating some content. Okay, so now we can click on this, use this brief. Okay, now we can say use this brief. So now you can see that it is making the site plan and the wireframe. Okay, so it will take some time. So let's wait for it to make. So you can see that it is saying sign in to continue. So let me sign in on this. Okay, so I think we have signed in. Okay, so you can see that it started making the home page sitemap. Here we have the about, property listing and all. So here you can see that it has generated the sitemap for us. So if I go to the 50%, now you can see that here it is saying we have the home header, welcome to urban reality, find your dream house. So you can see all of this information here. Also it has generated our home page, property listing, single property and contact. Okay, so now let's go to the wireframe and see what it has made. So you can see that we have this wireframe here. Customize, so here you can also customize the colors and all. So let's first wait for it to generate the wireframe. Okay, so here you can see that it is generating our wireframe, and you can see that how fast this is working. Okay, so let's wait, and here we can go to the fit. So let's go to the fit and let's give us the time. So you can see that it is generating all the wireframe here, and let's see what he is making. So let's wait for some time and you can see the magic. Okay, so we can also make it live. I will show you that also, and how you can customize this using the Elementor and its Pro version. Okay, so let's wait. So here you can see that if I go to the little bit zoom option, so you can see that it has started making our home page. This is the home page. Okay, here we have the forms and all. Here we have the portfolio. Okay, so it is already making all of these stuffs. Here we have the listing pages like this. Okay, so let's wait for it to make. Okay, so let's it complete all of this, then we'll see how we can make this website live. Okay, so if you see this has done making, also you can see that it has named this urban living reality. Okay, this project name. Also, if I go and let's zoom this now, let's go to 75% zoom. Okay, so this is very much 30%. So you can see that here we have the home page. It has made the hero section here. It has made the form, our featured image, listing section, client testimonial, team here also. Okay, so this is the footer. And now you can see that here we have all of this stuff. This is done also. Okay, so we have all of these pages. Okay, so it has made these things. Also we have the sitemap. So we have used this prompt. So now let me show you how you can make this live. Suppose you want to make this live. So we're gonna use a uh, taste WP here, but you can use your uh, main hosting also, where you have want to host this site or make this live. Okay, so right now I am using this tastewp.com, so we can just access it now. Okay, so let's access, and we have to install some plugins there. So let's go there and let's install some plugins. So right now you can see that we are on here. Let's go to awareness, and here we can install this plugin. So right now we have this plugin, so we have to install. Okay, we can click on this. Okay, got it. So let's install this hello Elementor. Okay, so I really like the sandbox test WP. This is awesome, very fast. So you can see that how quickly we are making this. Okay, now after that we have to go to the plugins and we have to install some plugins also. So let's go to the add plugin, and here we have to install the Elementor. So let's go to here, and here we have to search here Elementor. Okay, and here we have to install this. Install this. Now let's activate this. Okay, so you can see that we have installed the Elementor. Now let's install the Elementor Pro. So we have to install. So let me upload this Elementor Pro. Okay, so let me go to the downloads. And here we have, I have to find this Elementor Pro. Let's install. Okay, so because when we make this site live, we should want this. Okay, and here let's wait. Let's activate this now. Now you can see that we have generated the wireframe and sitemap also. So let me go here, wireframe again. Let's me copy this. Okay, so this is also activated. Now let's go to this and let's wait for it. So now you can see that we have this create website option. So let me click on this create website. Okay, so here we have to also, you can see if I go to this here, you can see there are so many colors option logo. You can change the fonts. If you want any other fonts, you can also change it here. Okay. Also, if you want to go to the colors, you can change their colors also. Like if I click on this, let's click on this. You can see that the color is changing. We are getting this red. You can change this by clicking on this. Okay. So I think this yellow or this color will look good. So let's use this color. Okay, and you can see there are so many options. You can put your logo here also. Okay, and you can see here we have the edit brief option. Here we have the site planner option. Okay, now you can see here we have this. So we can preview the site plan. So let's preview the site plan first. So here you can see that we can also preview the site plan. So if you want to share with some clients, here you can see all of this brief. You can say all of this information with them. Okay, here they can read all of this information. Here you can also get the style guide, heading and all. Okay, and this will be generated by Elementor AI software. Here you can also download this. So let's download this as a PDF, which you can share with your client. Okay, let's save as PDF, and here we can save it like this. Okay, this is done. Now we can also close this. Now let's go to the main. Here you can also share this project. Here you can animate this, and from here you can do the copy link and you can share that link. So show with that link some people can access this and view this site plan and wireframe here like this. Okay, so let's go to the create website option, and here you can see that we have to import your kit to a site. So let's click on this option. This option is also good, but this will use the default Elementor hosting. But if you want to host this on your hosting and domain, you can choose this option, import your kit to a site, and let's continue. Then after that it will ask some information. So here you can see that we have, so let's go to the visit site, and after that you can see we have this option here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it is loading, so let me copy this. Okay, so you can see that this is blank. So let me copy, so you have to copy this URL from the top. Okay, then go to this URL and paste it. Then after that you have to just run check. Okay, so it will run the checks that WordPress site is there, Elementor plugin there, and then you have to approve and connect. So this is the site permission which we required. So so you can see that all of this should be green while you can import this kit. Okay, then after that apply kit. Okay, so now you have to wait for it and you can see the magic happen. So let's wait for some time, and it is generating your site on WordPress. So we have to wait for some time only, and after some time you can see that this website, this whole wireframe will be live here. Okay, so let's wait for some time, and I will show you a magic what Elementor can do with the help of AI. Okay, so Elementor is making everything very fast and free, of course free. Okay, so now it is saying install theme. We already installed the theme, so let's go to website. And now let's see what it has done. Okay, so here you can see that we have the logo, all of this fully working. Here you can see that we have the full form here also with all the site plan. You can see that here we have this full details. Let's see on this visit details is not working right now, but you can customize this. Means you have the base, you can put the images here, and this is fully working slider. And one more thing, this is fully responsive also. Okay, okay, so here you can see that how beautiful we have this footer. If you give the logo there, it will also include that logo, but we have kept it blank, so right now that's why it is blank here. So you can see that here we have the about. So let's go to the about page. Here you can see that we have the beautiful about page here. Okay, here you can see that very detailed and good. And here you can see that this full site plan is live, and you can just customize it by using this edit with Elementor option. Okay, here you can see that all of these pages here, contact page. Okay, so you can see. So then you can fully customize this according to your taste, and you can include all of these sections here. You can add some more sections here also. Also, you can customize this site plan. Okay, if you want to customize, you can also customize this sitemap and wireframe by giving some prompt here. By you can go to the edit brief option, and you can just change if you don't want something. Also, you can see, you can just put it this and put it below like this. If you want to overlap this section, you can also do that. Okay, so you can see that how beautiful this is. Also, if you want to remake this, suppose you don't like this section, so you can click on this, and you can again make this. Okay, so it will remake it. Okay, so you can see that we have successfully. Okay, so let me show you that doc also which we have downloaded. If I go to this urban living reality, so you can see that we have this doc also here. Okay, so here, so you can share this doc with your client, and also you can share this fully working website here, which he can see, and also you can share the sitemap by going to this option, share project. Okay, so I hope you understand how you can use the Elementor AI site planner for making this type of website very fast and quickly. So if you like such type of videos on Elementor WordPress, please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel if you are new to the channel. And I will get back to the next video again. Thanks for watching.